My homie, what are you doing?
Firewood.
Oh, big brain.
Wait, we're not gonna steal from Ordo again? Is it too far?
How the hell do we steal from them without them noticing?
How do we what?
Steal for last time. You know the Ordo
Come
camp?
here, my boy.
Come here.
Be a good
Come here. Come here, Fred. Come here.
Steal.
Get on camera. We're back at Bicolline!
Let's get this shit started, eh?
This one. Yeah, this straight bottom. Look how dirty it is.
Oh yeah.
Let's lay it.
That's herb spice.
Yeah. That's 1019 spice.
Oh lord. Right here. Mav will be able to tent here.
Yeah,
His entrance is going to be there.
I hope they
And the other entrance is going to be facing us.
Yeah.
That's the
So I can.
There's
so I can,
two entrances.
Yeah. So I can unzip and I can just like look at you, stare at you all day.
I can just sneak into the night and just poke out my little dick in a tent. Yo! We're gonna show you how to make a fucking tent. I have no idea what I'm doing, but hey, I don't care. This is what this guild is about. It is what it is. Lesson 1, don't do like me. You need help? Yeah, I do, actually. Oh, well, I discovered there's some thing here that I think you can put it in. So I decided to put it in. I don't know if that's how it goes, but fuck it, that's how we do it here.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Just big brain it. There you go. It works. It works.
Provide like a motherfucker.
Tent's almost put up. We're having a beer break. And the guild leader has arrived.
Look
at that. All over the face. There you go. There you go.
The fuck, bro? Yeah, okay.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. All right.
Which one is that?
Joey.
That's mine.
That's yours? Whose one is that?
mine.
That's yours? Okay, so I need to fit in mine and another small one here.
Oh.
Do you guys want to be there?
Hey, no, I mean, we have
We're
all
in the
this
spot over
space.
there.
Okay, because I want to keep this shit packed in because
Marie Pinac, on va les installer où les chansons sont là.
on les chansons, on les mettra là. Alright, because there's Zav who's going to be coming in with one of these two.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, he's going to be. You getting this, cameraman?
I'm getting it. Oh, yeah.
That's prime footage right there.
There you go.
He's going to be coming in with one of these two.
He just camping in the front.
Then Larry is going to come in with one of these.
There's no room, my guy.
Guys, just get 20. You can be 16. Okay, but
Menu is going to be
which
here.
Which tents do we have here right now which we can put up?
Mine, Menu,
We still have
Liam,
Yours.
no, but it's not my tent. Okay, and the garage.
And Mary's.
Where's it gonna be? And this here. What's gonna be here?
My tent.
Menu.
My tent.
That's just an answer. Because I think if I can make an executive decision, I want to keep this here for the chill spot with the
Yeah,
rug.
that's what I said before.
Yeah, because the trees here, I'm gonna use those to put up my sail. Like
Oh, okay.
because that's gonna be super easy to set up. Like
Oh,
4
yeah,
points.
yeah.
So it's gonna be super easy to set up.
Sure.
So I can't dig a tunnel down there.
I mean, you can if you can hide it. If he doesn't find out, it's all okay.
That's true, yeah. Hey, I need to have tunnels everywhere. That's how I get to the Skavens.
Otherwise, if you find another spot where we can easily set up like a 4-point sail,
you been?
because I have two
No.
frames up a fucking 2x4 just
turn down. It's gonna have a bunch of water at the bottom. That's why I'm.
Hell yeah.
let me have a rule and a saw and a board and I'll cut it. I'll climb up a ladder with a hammer and a nail and I'll nail it. Don't stop, just do it and stop. So has shown me so much love. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack.
And we now have a new Derthorn meme.
There you go, new theme song.
We get our shit pushed in at the campaign. Look at my pussy, Bobby. Give me that look. Yes, Dad. Put my tools there, son. Oh, I'm gonna crush your balls. Give me my keys. Give me my keys or I'm gonna crush your balls.
Give me your phone.
Oh, fuck. Ah!